Jack, I'm fine.
Jack your girl.
How are you?
I'm good.
With a happy birthday.
Thank you. Sweet 16.
16 years old. Are you ready for my hot take?
Yes, I'm ready.
Real name?
Michelle Joyce.
Would you prefer a loud guy or a silent killer?
A silent killer.
Why?
Silent killers are the best.
Do you prefer revenge or waiting for karma to do her thing?
Revenge. Revenge.
When I
Revenge. Karma saa zingine haiwakingi. Huwa haifanyangi mambo yake.
Hot or cold weather?
Cold.
Why not hot?
Sababu cold. You understand, but si hot. Hot hauwezi lala. Unajua baridi, unaweza ingia ndani ya duvet na ulale vizuri. Hot, no.
A bad hair day or a bad outfit day? Which one would you prefer?
Bad outfit day.
Why not hair?
Hapana. Outfit unajua tu ukininiwa utasema utadanganya tu watu ulikuwa umefika kwa duka, but sasa nywele.
Road trip or camping?
Road trip.
Heels or boots?
Boots.
Why not heels?
I'm not a heel girl. Hata sinaona size javaa heels.
Umeva flats?
Umeva flats.
Hip hop or R&B?
R&B.
TikTok, Snapchat or Instagram?
Instagram. Any day, anytime.
Why do you prefer like Instagram to TikTok?
TikTok inakwanga na a lot of hate compared to Instagram. Instagram inakwanga real love. Na hate inakwanga kama ni 2 ama 3. Yes.
Just in case maybe you want to enhance your body, maybe would you prefer you hit the gym or surgery?
Hit the gym, man. Surgery, no. Hit the gym. Yes.
Maybe can you ask me any question?
Do you prefer tall guys or short guys?
Tall.
Why tall?
I like my things tall.
Thank
you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
We're done.